Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the world of artificial intelligence with a hot topic that is called multimodal large language model. So before we jump into the multimodal part, let's do a quick recap. Traditional LLMs or large language model are these amazing AI model trained on massive amount of text data. They can generate text, translate languages, write different kind of creative content and also answer your question in surprisingly human-like way. As you can see on the screen, there are different tasks performed by the LLMs. But here is the catch. They primarily deal with the text or only the single modality. Either it's a text to text response or text to image response or maybe text to audio, text to video like that. Okay, so maybe one modality, there is one data type of input and different data type of output. So it's a called single modality like text to image, text to audio. So these are all single modality, or even the large language model is single modality. And then combining these two concepts, a multimodal LLMs leverage the power of LLM for text understanding while incorporating ability to process other data type as well. So this allow a model to gain a richer understanding of the information it presented with. So as you can see on the screen, taking text as input, generating text as output, taking text as input, here is converting text from one language to another. But what could be happen if two text generation and translation, any of two can combine together? So we can say a multiple task can combine together or multiple modality like multiple different data type like text, images and audio, it could be that. So based on different input like images, text, we can generate different richer output as well. So this is meaning of a modality, different modality combining together. Now the multimodal take things a step further. So they are not just text node. So now as a official definitions, what is multimodal? So multimodal LLMs are a new generations of the AI model that can process and understand information from multiple modality. Multiple modality means multiple data types or multiple data format such as text, images and audio. So this powerful model can understand and process information from multiple modality. So this modality can include various types like text, images, audio, video, sensor data and more, as you can see on the screen. So these all different modality can combine together as an input, and even we can generate similar output in multiple modality. Like initially, if we are entering some prompt in the form of text, we are getting the output in the form of text data as well. If we are creating or sending prompt as a text, we are getting output as a images. So one modality is always there. But now new AI models are have multiple modality in the form of input and the form of the output as well. So let's understand more details about this one. So these are some examples of multimodal AI app, or we can say understanding the multimodality. So in the first example, in multimedia dataset, you might have images along with accompanying text and description. So maybe if you are a multimedia data, like you are reading some blog or multimedia, so always the images, video, audio, text, all the different type of data is there. So this is also example of multimodality. In healthcare setting, patient record may include textual medical notes, diagnosis images like X-ray, MRIs, physiological sensor data, heart rate, blood pressure, all the things. So all of these are different modality. Okay, so how we presenting our information in different modality with different data types. Now AI this can now doing more effectively. Third one is social media platform content mixer of text, based post, images, video and image. So before this was not done by LLMs. LLMs are only working as a single data type, like one data type, single modality and output, input and single modality output, like text to images. It's not like text. If you are giving text as input, so it could create images, text, audio, video is multiple output. It was not before that, but now with the help of multimodality, everything can be done. So as you can see on the Gemini, or open chat GPT, now they are also giving you output in the form of text plus images as well. So the integrations of multi-modality of data has become increasingly important in AI and machine learning research. So it also enable model to leverage a richer set of information, leading to more comprehensive understanding better performance in various tasks, like ultimately more like human interactions. So the key point about this one is, like, unlike traditional LLMs that focus only on text, multimodal LLMs can leverage the power of different data type to gain a richer and more comprehensive understanding of the world. Second key point is this allow them to perform tasks that were previously unimaginable, such as generating caption for images, translating spoken languages into sign language, answering question based on combination of text and visual information. So just like understanding information in multiple format, this is ultimately goal of multimodal. So these are some top level overview. Okay, so these are data in different format: text, images, search, this one. And there is some foundations model, and this based on this foundations model we are create different single modality or multimodality output we can create. So like the common tasks like questioning, answering, sentiment analysis, image. Maybe if you are creating some blog, so now or like talking about Gemini, so now Gemini also can create articles with the help. The articles can include text as well, images as well. Okay, so multiple modality. Okay, so and this foundations model, there's new more foundations model that have multimodal capability. So these are some of the tasks you can explore at Hugging Faces if you want to explore more about open source multimodal tools. So you can visit the Hugging Faces website. So some of the multimodal now is famous or trending, like image, text to text, visual question answering, document question answering. Okay, so how the multimodal work? So the inner working of multimodal are quite complex, but we can simplify it as a process of learning and integrations. By leveraging vast amount of multimodal data, the model build a network of connections between different data types. This network is to make sense of information from various sources and perform tasks that require holistic understanding of the world. So as you can see, there are 4 point dimensions. Multimodal LLMs are typically trained on the massive data set of text, images, and audio. Okay, now our model are training on the different type of data: text data, images data, audio data. The second data set allow the model to learn and relations between different modality. So like relations between text to images, text to audio, text to video, like that, multiple modality. For example, a third point, multimodal train on images and their corresponding caption can learn to associate a specific word with visual features. Okay, and finally, during the training, the model uses a complex algorithm to develop a deeper understanding of each modality and how they can relate to each other. Okay, so maybe one blog we have, in blog can have images, video, audio, some podcast, some visual, some diagram as well, and also text as well. So these are different modalities. Also now our model are trained on learning from all the different type of modality and also generating the output in multiple modality. Okay, so this is how things are working. Okay, so but the algorithm is complex, for multimodal, because now we are combining multiple type of data to train on, and then we can generate. So this is a very common difference, like unimodal and multimodal. So unimodal means just single data type, one data type as an input, and other data type like single input data and single output data. Okay, so output will be a single type of data, like text to text or text to image. So one type of there is no more than one modality or different data format. If text input is text, so output may be anything, one modality could be there. Similarly, if input could be one modality, output could be one modality. So it's called one-to-one relation between input to output. But in case of multimodal can handle like one to many, right? Maybe they can train on the multiple input and they can generate output in multiple modality, like text, images, audio, video, all the things. Okay, so these are different between multimodal and unimodal. So some of the benefit of LLMs or multimodals are improve accuracy and performance. So by considering different data type, the model can make more informed predictions or complete tasks with greater accuracy. Real world applications potential. So multimodal learn LLMs are useful in scenario where information is presented in various formats like generating captions for images, answering questions based on the combination of text and video, and finally a deeper understanding of the world by processing information from multiple modality. The model can develop a more comprehensive understanding of the world and also relationship between the different type of data. So these are some of the most popular real time use cases, or people are using this one, OpenAI Sora. So this is a multimodal, and Gemini, now Gemini is now creating, before Gemini there was Google Bard. So Google Bard was only creating, if you are asking for creating a response, so they were giving response in the form of text only, but now Gemini giving the response in the form of text as well as some visual and images as well. So these are most popular website app people are using across the world. So some example of what LLMs can do, like social media analysis, so analyzing text and images on social media perform to understand trends and user sentiment. In augmented reality, this multimodal part is very useful, so provide more contextual relevant information by understanding the visual environment through a device camera. Multimodal search for information using a combination of text, images, and even with a spoken query. So that's all about the multimodal. So thank you for joining us today. If you are interested in learning more about multimodal or AI in general, be sure to check out the resources in the video description below, and don't forget to like, subscribe for more tech adventures. Thank you so much for watching.